Alright, so in this video, we will learn about the child combinator in CSS. In the previous video, we have learned about the descendant combinators, right? But in this video, we will learn about the child combinator, which is basically called the direct descendant combinator as well. So what I have done, I have just commented out the last, basically the CSS which we had, and for the list item basically, and I have added one ordered list here. So this is the OL, and inside of that we have the LI, which is item 1 and item 2. So this is basically the structure, nothing fancy. So if I go here, as you can see, we have the unordered list and then we have the ordered list. So now what I can do, I can go to the code editor and we will discuss about the child combinator. First of all, what we can do UL and then LI. Okay. So LIs which are under the UL, and then do something like border 1 pixel, solid and salmon, something like that. And why I am using border? Because borders are not inherited. If we are using something like colored, that is inherited, right? So it will be harder for me to demonstrate the difference. Basically, this is the descendant combinator, right? Now if I go to the browser, now as you can see, all of the LI under the UL have the border, which is the salmon color, and it is 1 pixel solid. Okay. Now if I go to the code editor, so now what I can do, I can just add a greater than symbol here. Okay. And now what will happen? Let us look. So now as you can see, the list items which were under the ordered list are not having the border, right? So why is that? So this is the direct descendant combinator. Basically what it is saying like, hey, go to the HTML, check for the UL, and inside of that, what are the direct LI elements? These are the direct LIs, right? These are the direct list items. So just style those. But if we have something like this LI, which is under a different OL, it will not be styled. So that is why it is called the child combinator or the direct descendant combinator. So to recap, what will happen if I just remove that? So, and add the space here. So it will select every LI element which is under the UL, but if I add this greater than sign, then what will happen? It will select only the LIs which are directly under this UL. Okay. So I hope that makes sense. So this is the child combinator in CSS.